Kingdom. We are all ready for the 50-year celebration anniversary.
Yes, and it's cold.
It's super cool and it's going to be fun.
Fun on the train.
Oh, it was fun, the train? Yeah, we took the monorail and now we are walking to the entrance.
The train.
Yay! We are all ready to begin the day, right?
Yay!
So see you in a little bit. They're saying hi! Hi, everybody! They're saying hi, friends!
Sande, are you excited? Yeah! Look, it's coming! Whoa!
We're going to a roller coaster. Okay, we're going.
You ready? It's your first roller.
No, there.
Whoa! Look, 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 look. Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Oh! Whoa! That's it?
That was really short. Oh
Really
my
short?
God.
You wanna do it again?
My legs were shaking.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh. That was I feel something in my legs.
You feel something in your legs?
Papi and Andres are behind us.
Permanezcan sentados. Manos, brazos.
This is Buzz Lightyear ride.
Look, it says cow.
Yeah.
There's stuff. This looks sus. This looks sus.
There we go, guys.
What have you done? You cannot but hurt yourselves. Power. I must have power. Sorry. Clicks, clicks.
Oh, look at the back. Look at the back. We can't spin anymore. Buzz right here.
Buzz is right there. Hi, Buzz.
We can spin. Hi, Buzz. They trapped us.
Bad guy, we got you. Woo! Hey,
Check the
Buzz.
status board and review your score. Remember, do infinity and
And beyond.
Look how many coins.
Diga hola.
And we are about to take the Peter Pan ride. We're flying. There's to Neverland.
Have we been here?
Woo! We're flying. Bye guys. Hey Wendy. Hey Peter. This one is full. Thank you.
Never reach that.
Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Look, Mama, look. I'm flying.
It makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me. Right this way.
Do you like it?
Yes, that was fun. Look at the new castle. I mean, it's the same castle, but it was painted with different colors. Now it's pink and blue. Before, it was a blue castle, blue and gray. We're taking tonight's last ride, guys. So we've never done this one.
It was like your spaceship.
Yeah, Andres, hello. Woohoo! Let's go. It's going to be super cold up there.
I
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our video. It's super cold. We made it. Look, everything is already closed. We're still here. But the day is over. We did a lot of things today. So say bye.
Bye. It's already 35 degrees.
Yes,
Let's
it's super
go.
cold. So look, everything is so empty now. We are almost the last people here.
Almost. Fun.
Yes, it was fun. Woo.
Almost the last one.
Who wants to keep going on more rides? Woo! What about Daddy?
Oh, we're staying over. That we don't have to stay tomorrow.
Yeah, let's go hide and stay here. What about inside a castle? No. Look, we can sleep here. We can go up there not now, and nobody's going to know.
Yes.
What do you think? Yeah.
That's the favorite part about not paying.
No, because it's too cold. We cannot stay because it's cold. So look, the lines in here were like 130 minutes today, and look, now it's already closed. This is beautiful, empty.
Let's go tomorrow.
Do you have some money to come back?
Yes.
Yes? But you only have money for your ticket, not for our ticket. One more look at the beautiful castle. Hopefully we can find some stores open before we leave so we can buy some things for the 50th anniversary. Huh? Yeah, say bye, castle.
Have a great night.
Andres, say bye. Say bye, everybody. What?
Padre.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, say bye, Magic Kingdom. Okay, guys, we made it. We are super tired. We are pretty much the last people.
The last people.
Yes, look.
Just look around. There's
Parking
nobody.
lot is empty.
Some
So-
cars are here.
A very few cars. So we made it. We made it. Woohoo!